So, what's happening, Kelo? What's happening? Are you okay? We're having a wee relaxing.
Sure, Mama.
Yeah. And your mommy's having a wee relaxing day today, aren't we? Because we done loads yesterday. Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So we're just chilling out today. Because everything's done. And I bring you up here to your favourite spot. Yeah, you love up here, don't you?
No.
No? Are you being serious? Would you want to go down the stairs?
Chicken rice.
Oh, right. This is what it's all about. The chicken and rice. It's not even Friday yet.
Okay, now. Hello? Hello? Okay, now.
Who are you talking to?
Hello?
Have I not answered you?
What?
What are they saying? You just listening? On the other end
What's
of
wrong?
it? What's wrong with them? Huh? Is he okay, Kelo?
What?
He's actually copying a whole conversation. Are they alright, Kelo?
Hello?
I'm still there.
What?
What are they saying to you?
Hello?
What are they saying? What did they say? Hold on, he's still listening. Right, you going to say bye-bye to them? Right, say see you later. He's going to say see you later? Oh, he's having a good conversation.
Hello?
He's having a whole conversation with someone.
Hello?